Good day, kids! Welcome to Bahay Aralan. Today, you will learn how to fill out forms. Forms like personal information sheet or personal data sheets are papers or documents that ask for the important information about yourself. It is very important to know how to fill out forms accurately because there will surely be a lot of times in your lifetime that you will be required to fill out forms, be it for school enrollment, travel, entry or access to buildings and offices, opening bank accounts, sending or claiming money, and for several other purposes. Before filling out forms, you should read the instructions first. You should remember that different forms may have different instructions. Some may ask you to write in uppercase or in capital letters, while some may not. Some may ask you to put check mark in the boxes, while others may ask you to mark X in those boxes. And some may ask you to just use a black pen. Reading instructions is important to avoid any mistakes, erasures, or even redoing it. And while filling out forms, read each item very carefully before writing your answer, and write only the information being asked. Be sure that it is true and correct. Okay? So let's start to fill out this form. As you can see, it asks you about yourself or your personal information. But before filling this out, we have to read the instructions. This form says, please fill out the form in capital letters. Okay, we can now start filling out the form. The first item is, of course, the name. We have to be mindful of the sequence. Last name first, then first name, then the middle name. Last name is the same as family name. Other forms use surname, but they are just the same. Let's use this last name for example. Cruz. Okay, next is the first name. It is the name given to you by your parents, the name you are normally called. In this example, let us have John. Now, let us have middle name. It is the last name of your mother when she did not marry your father yet. Let us say John's middle name is Santos. Now, some forms ask for the middle initial only. What does it mean? You just have to put the first letter of your middle name. In this example, since the first letter of Santos is S, we just have to put S, then period. Okay? Alright, since we're done with the name, let us now have the date of birth or your birthday. For this example, let us write January 5, 2010. Then age. Since we are now in 2022 and January has passed already, John's age is 12. Then, place of birth. Where were you born? Let us just use this example. Pag-asa, Makati City. Or you can simply put Makati City. Next, address. The specific place where you live. And it must be complete. Just for an example, let us use this address. 3456, which is the house number. Pride Street. The street name, of course. Pag-asa, which is the name of the barangay. Then Makati City, which is the name of the city. Now, if you are not living in a city, you just have to write the name of your town or municipality. Okay? Next item, sex. But in other forms, they use the word gender. If you are a boy, you write male. And if you are a girl, you write female. Since John is a boy, we have to put male here. Okay, next, nationality. Some forms use the word citizenship. They are the same. They tell to what group or country you belong. Since John is from the Philippines, his nationality is Filipino. Okay, next, contact number. If you have a personal number, you can put it here. It is important so that you can be reached easily in case there is something that you need to know if you are not around in school or somewhere else. For example, let us just put this number 0977890123 Next item, talents. What are your special gifts or skills? For John, let us just say his talents are singing and dancing. Next, hobbies. These are the things you regularly do or enjoy doing during your free time. As an example, let us put here reading stories and solving puzzles. Next, father's name. Again, the sequence is last name first, then first name, then middle name. Since John's parents are married, he has the same last name as his father. So, the last name is also Cruz. Then, the first name of John's father is Lucas. And for the middle name, let us use Perez. Okay, occupation. This refers to the job or work of your father. Let's say John's father is an engineer. Next, contact number. Let us just put this number 0905-432-1098. Okay, let us now have mother's name. Last name, the same. It's Cruz. First name is Gloria. And the middle name is the same as John's middle name, which is Santos. Occupation. Let's say John's mother is a teacher and her contact number is 0909-8765-432. The contact numbers of your parents are very important so that it would also be easy to reach them should there be important matters that they need to know or in case of emergency. So, more or less, these are the information asked in personal data forms or sheets. And remember that before submitting the form, make sure to review your answers or responses to make sure that you did not make any errors like spelling, spacing, capitalization, and others. Okay? That said, that would be all, kids. Thank you for watching. Stay safe.